Hope you're having a nice day. I'm Preston Powell, part of the Brother Martin Culinary Crusaders or Cooking Club. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a meat dish since lunch over. It's going to consist of glazed honey garlic pork chops with pan-seared baby potatoes and steamed green beans. Now we're going to start by combining our honey garlic sauce ingredients into a pot. So let's start off with our minced garlic. And then you're going to get 6 cloves of minced garlic, exact 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And just simply spoon it out. And now we're going to get our 1/4 cup of honey. Now that we got our honey, you're simply going to finish it off with 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Now I'm using low sodium. You can do whatever one you want, but I prefer low sodium. That seems about right. Perfect. Pour that in. Mix everything in. You're simply just going to stir it until it's all nice and in there. You can already smell the honey and garlic. Right now that's stirred, we're going to bring it over to the stove on medium just until it's about to boil. Then we're going to combine 3/4 cup of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of water and add that in just as it's about to boil. Not as it's, but just now. I'm going to put that on medium for now. And let's prepare the cornstarch and we'll come back to this when it's ready. Alright, now that that's on the stove boiling, we're going to start with our cornstarch and water mix. Now we're going to get 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. And now one thing you got to know is cornstarch is going to thicken it so it's not runny. And so you're simply just going to want to do this 3 times. Alright, now that we have our cornstarch, we're going to get 1/4 cup of water. So we're just going to go and get this. I'm going to get 1/4 cup of water and mix it in there. And then get a spoon and just mix it. And occasionally go stir the sauce that we're boiling. And I'm going to go do that right after this is done. So you're going to just stir this a little bit. It's going to look like milk. Don't drink it. Alright, now that our sauce is about to come to a boil, as you see, we're going to add in the cornstarch water mix. Simply add that in and make sure to immediately stir it, because that's what's going to give it its thickness, and you can already see it already, it's thick. So it's going to add that thickness so it's not too runny, nor is it too thick. So you're going to simply stir that in, then you're going to want to take it off. And just let it sit by the side, and we're gonna hop on to the potatoes next. Alright, now that our sauce is done, we're gonna move on to the potatoes, which are gonna be pan fried. Now, these are baby tomatoes, small potatoes. You can use regular potatoes, but we're just gonna use small ones. Now, I'm using this small knife. You can use a big one if you want. It's just this one seems more suitable. So they're just gonna chop them in little bite-sized chunks. Alright, I skipped ahead when all the potatoes are diced, and now we're going to cut it with some olive oil, salt and pepper, half a stick of butter, and this is optional. I like to use some garlic, just sprinkle it in a little bit, just for a little bit of extra flavor. Let's go back. We put potatoes in the pan on the stove. Now it's on medium as of right now. We're just letting them simmer, stirring them, and we're gonna let our honey garlic sauce just sit there and let it thicken up for a while. Probably gonna have to take it off near the end of this. So you're just gonna simply stir it for a while until they reach this nice golden brown texture on the inside. These potatoes are getting a little bit crispy. We're gonna flip them. Our potatoes and sauce are simmering in the background. We're going to start on the green beans. Now I have a washed stalk cut off of every single green bean here. And you just simply put in a bowl, half stick of butter, and a nice amount of salt. We've got green beans with the stem cut off. We put butter, salt, and pepper in them. We're going to stick in the microwave for 7 minutes, and during that, we're going to season our pork. All right, now that our green beans in the microwave and our potatoes are simmering, we're going to season our pork. I have 4 pork chops, and I'm using garlic powder, regular black pepper, and Tony's. The Tony's substitutes for the salt because it already has a lot in there. I just want to lightly sprinkle it from high above and an equal coating on top of it. I would do this on a big plate. It's not really that big for me. And get a good amount. And if you overdo it, that's fine. Most of this stuff is going to get cooked off when it's on the grill or stove top, whatever you're doing. Just want to cover it all, an equal amount of everything. You want to be careful with the garlic powder and stuff. And if there's a little bit, just brush it off. And your pork is seasoned. And then you're going to flip your pork and do the same on the side. And you're done. Alright, now that our potatoes are looking nice and crispy and done, we're going to bring them over. And now I have a colander with a paper towel. And you want to be very careful that oil will burn you. And just gently slide them in there. Alright, I have a grill here preheated to 600 degrees. We're going to open it. Evenly space out your pork chops when you're putting it on there. Make sure they're not smooshed up together. Now you want to check up on them every minute and a half just to see how they're looking. Maybe cut into them with a knife. See, and you know they're perfect when the inside is nice and white. That's when you know pork's good. So we're gonna leave that to cook, and let's go get our green beans out the microwave. 7 minutes, we have our pork on the grill. Take your green beans out of the microwave. So, alright, now that our pork chops have been on here for a while, I've checked them off camera. I don't think you can see it, but it's nice and wide in the middle, how you want your pork to be in the middle. There's no light, so it's probably hard to see. So we're going to take them and put them on a plate. Make sure it's clean. You don't want dirty pork. Probably want to turn the grill off. Let's go inside. And finally, here we have our potatoes fried, our honey garlic sauce up ready, and our pork. And we're going to start plating. First, we're going to start with the pork. Get 2 of the finest strips that you have. Plate them nice. And then we're going to use our tongs to get a thing of green beans. Then the potatoes. Finally, put our sauce on the pork chops, and you're just going to want to lightly drizzle it over, and it's going to be hard, kind of doesn't fall immediately, kind of like honey, because that's the main thing. And let's try it out. That's good. That really is good. Until next time, see you in the next cooking video.